Alright, you can see a nice frame here. We're going to draw a beautiful painting for the sun. We're going to put the white color here and make it a half circle so that the sun is visible in the horizon. Maybe it's setting in the sky. Okay, so let's take more color and putting it here. Awesome. Sun, and putting other white parts here for the reflections of the water, just to define it with a few white color. Okay, taking little bit more, and the water is visible. Awesome. Okay, all right, and we're going to draw a tower here. That's going to be with the black color, dark black color. Let's draw a tower with a straight line. We're just drawing from the top. So as you know, the tower is very taller, so this is going to be a taller one. Okay, taller one, the tower coming from this land area, and on the top just put a base point here like this one. Okay, and on top of it just put a shade, which is going to be like the inclined roof on the top. Okay, and triangular. Triangular. Then drawing the columns, which is the structural part of the tower. Another one here. Okay, and few birds you can see like a alphabetical V shape. Those are flying in the sky. Just putting the birds, some are bigger and some are smaller. So there's the variations in the bird size. Very simple picture, and you can practice at home, and the drawing is going to be very nice. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.